Marcus here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of a trading signal service that we provide here. If you would like to receive trading signals from me, myself, or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, and you can do so for a very small price of $199. All you have to do is scroll down on this video, and in the description I have left a link to our website. Go and click on that link and it will then give you the option on our site to purchase our trading signal package. So in front of me is a Nasdaq 100 futures chart. And as you can see, we have continued our bullishness here on the Nasdaq 100. I think we're on our 8th trading session in the green now, which is phenomenal. And we have clearly broken out above a $10,000 level, which is, I am rather shocked about, to be honest. You know, $10,000 is a huge psychological number. I thought that we would struggle a little bit more than what we have. So it looks like now we will aim towards 10,500. However, I'm not a buyer at this point. We are too expensive for my liking. And as well, look at the RSI. We are overbought. What happened last time when we went into the overbought territory? We had a massive sell-off of around 5%. And that was about 2 Thursdays ago. So around about 2 weeks ago. And we sold off 5%. So if we had a similar situation here, that would send us back below the $10,000 level. So I'm not quite a buyer yet. If we could potentially sink back down towards 10,000, there could be some potential value there with the Fed backing up and buying corporate bonds and buying shares in companies. You know, it's just buying everything it can. And you have retail traders as well. You know, the Nasdaq 100, 30% of it of the Nasdaq 100 are FANG stocks, so such as Apple, Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, Netflix, you know, Tesla. You have massive stocks like this, and this is what retail traders love. You know, when if I found someone who was new to trading and I said straight off the top of your head, what company would you buy? And of course they're going to say Apple, they're going to say Netflix, they're going to say these companies that they use on a day-to-day basis, who they know are huge, who they know are very successful. And this is what the Nasdaq 100 portfolio is made up of these big companies. So, you know, all these retail traders are just buying everything they can. And no disrespect to people who are new to trading, but the likelihood is that you don't really know what you're doing, and buying the dip every single time, it's only going to end it in one way. It's going to be bad, because one day you're going to have a sell-off, maybe not as big as 30%, but there has been other sell-offs, just like this one, for example, which is about 5 or 10%. The market will dip. A retail trader will buy the dip. Let's say there, it will dip even further. They'll keep buying, and then eventually their account gets bust. So, you know, buying the dip only ends in one way. So I would be wary, and you know, all it takes is now for the banks to come out and take some profits. You know, we are considered to be overbought on the RSI. So I would be looking for a pullback in the Nasdaq 100 over the next day or so. Definitely before the end of the week.